Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your virtual events with Zoom easy tutorial step by step clearly. To scale your virtual events with Zoom, start by defining your event goals. Identify your target audience to ensure your content aligns with their interests. Choose the right Zoom plan that meets your event's needs, considering features like participant limits and session duration. Create a detailed agenda for your event, including sessions, speakers, and breaks. Build a registration page using Zoom's features or through an external platform like Eventbrite. Promote your event across various channels, including social media, email lists, and professional networks. Utilize engaging visuals and professional branding to create a cohesive look for your event materials. Prepare your speakers and panelists by providing them with guidelines and technical checks ahead of time. Conduct a rehearsal to test technology and make adjustments to the agenda as needed. Set up breakout rooms to facilitate networking or small group discussions during the event. Incorporate interactive elements like polls, Q&A sessions, and chat to keep participants engaged. Monitor attendance and engagement metrics during the event to gauge participation. Record your event to create on-demand content for attendees who may have missed it. After the event, follow up with attendees to gather feedback and share resources or recordings. Analyze performance metrics to assess what went well and what could be improved for future events. Implement changes based on feedback and metrics to enhance your next virtual event experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.